roller placement is simply demonstrating one of each of the roller bases. So to start roller placement, you're going to need a panel down the center of the head. To get that panel, you're going to use two working parts. And once you've got your panel, then you're going to subsection the panel. And to determine how big the subsections are, you always look at your roller that you're using. So the diameter of the roller being used is going to tell you the size of the subsections. The larger the roller, the larger the base will be, your subsection will be. The smaller the roller, the smaller your subsection will be. So to start with, if you need, you can use the roller as a guide. Target part, remember, place your finger on one side, comb on the other, and target part across to make a nice clean horizontal line. The first roller is on base, so we need to hold that at 135 degrees. We're going to comb, and when you comb, roll your comb a little bit just to form a little bit of a pocket. Make sure your ends are controlled. Place your roller in position and roll towards the scalp. And the roller should sit directly on its base and then clip to its base. So that's the on base roller. Target part to make your half base roller. This one we want to hold 90 degrees. So we're going to still form our pocket, control our ends, roll up. Don't let your hand slip forward when you're doing the half base roller. Sometimes that happens. Our hand does slip forward. When you do your half base, it should sit on the parting, splitting the roller, so half the roller is on its base and half the roller is off its base. Target part again, and now you're going to do your off base. So when you do your off base, form your pocket for your roller to sit, and now we're holding this hair at 45 degrees. Rolling under. And for this one, you might have to turn your clip slightly just so that you catch the base, because as you can see, the base is in front and the roller is behind, so it's sitting off its base. When you go to do your indent, it's always a nice idea just to take about 1/8 of an inch of hair, a little section, and leave that out. This way, when you roll your indent roller up, it won't interfere with your off base roller. So again, target part, comb that hair at 0 degrees, and now we're going to make sure that we put the roller on top. It doesn't go underneath, it goes on top, and we roll up. So that creates an indent. It sits directly on its base, and we clip to its base. So we have an on-base roller at 135 degrees, creating the most volume. We have a half-base roller at 90 degrees, creating medium volume. An off-base roller at 45 degrees, creating the least amount of volume. And an indent roller at 0 degrees and rolled up to create an indent or hollow. And that's roller placement.